Hey family, in today's video we're going to learn how you can open an account in Monzo Bank online from the comfort of your home. First of all, we need to go to the Play Store or App Store and install the Monzo mobile banking app. Let me tell you a bit about this app. If you are a UK resident, you can open your account in this app. Even if you are a foreigner, you will still be able to open an account here. Whether you are a student, a businessman, or just a regular individual, this account is really great for everyone. So friends, the Monzo Bank app has been installed, so let's open it now. If you are doing this process on an iPhone, the process is almost the same. There's really no difference. If you are doing it on Android, it's the same as well. Both are almost identical, so you don't need to worry about anything. Now we need to click on Open here and open this app. The Monzo Bank app has opened, and the interface looks something like this in front of us. Here it says open account in under 15 minutes. That's absolutely right. We can open our account in just 15 minutes. Here, we have two options. I am new to Monzo and I already have an account. If you already have an account, you should click on the option below. I don't have any account. I'm going to open a new account, so I'll click on I am new to Monzo here. Now it says, tell us the email address you would like to use for all the things. Now here it says, tell us the email address you would like to use for all things in Monzo. So here, we need to enter our active email address. If you look below, there's a join icon. We need to click on join. If you face any issues, you can let me know in the comments, and I will do my best to help you. Now friends, the bank has sent you an email. If you haven't received any kind of email, you should click on I did not receive my email. If you have received the email, then click on open email. There might be some technical problem. So far, I haven't received the email, so I will click on the icon below. Here, it tells us that you should wait up to 10 minutes, or you can also check your spam folder. If you still don't get the email, you can click on resend to get a new email again. Yes friends, now I have received my email. Here, you need to scroll down, and you'll see a box that says login into Monzo. We need to click on this box. From here, we have been redirected back to our Monzo app. Our email verification process is now complete. Now we're being asked, where do you live? There are a lot of countries listed here. You need to select your country where you live. If you can't find your country here, you can click on the search icon and search for your country. I've found my country, so I'll select it and then I'll click on confirm. If you're facing any problems, you can let me know in the comments. I'll do my best to help you. Now the bank will ask you some questions and we need to answer those questions. The other thing is, we have to verify ourselves using our photo ID. So let's click on next now. And friends, I request you, please do like this video. Now, friends, we're being asked which account would you like to open? There are a lot of account options here. You have to select which account you want to open. Here, there's a personal account, a joint account, an under 16 account, and also a business account. Here, you can also open multiple accounts at the same time. If you are a student or an individual, then I recommend you open a personal account. If you want to open an account with someone, for example, if you are a couple, then you can open a joint account. If you are under 16 years old, then you can open this type of account. And if you are a businessman, then I would recommend you open a business account. Right now, I am an individual, so I have selected the personal account here. And after that, I will click on next here. Friends, the process is almost the same for all of them. There isn't much difference. First of all, you are being asked to enter your first name here. Then you have to enter your last name here. And you need to make sure that the details you provide, especially the spelling of your name, should match exactly with your ID card. If your given name does not precisely match the name on your official documents, your account application will unfortunately be rejected. Now, moving on to the next crucial step. Here you will need to carefully select your complete date of birth. You will accurately write your specific birth date here, then proceed to select your birth month from the provided options here, and finally, you will enter the full year you were born in this designated field here. After successfully completing these steps, you will then need to click on the next button to continue with the process. Now friends, we are being asked, what is your home address? So first, you need to select your country here. If you have already selected it, you can also edit it from here. Now below, you have to enter your postal code here. And after that, friends, we will click on next here. Now friends, all the addresses associated with this postal code have opened up in a list. From here, you need to select your home address. If you don't see your address here, there's no need to worry. You can also manually enter your address from here. Now friends, we're being asked to confirm your address, whether your address is correct. You need to review it, and after reviewing, you'll see yes, this is correct written below. You have to click on that. Now here, you're being asked for your mobile number. You need to enter your mobile number here. And friends, I request you, please do like this video. After entering your mobile number, you have to click on next here. Now friends, a verification code has been sent to your registered mobile number. You need to enter that verification code here, and after that, click on next here. So friends, now our mobile verification is also complete. Now here, the bank is asking us whether you want the bank to send you notifications and emails regarding new features, offers, and rewards. If you want, you can click on yes, please here to allow notifications, and if you don't want, you can also click on no, thanks. It's completely up to you. You can do whatever you feel is right. Here, I am clicking on no, thanks. Now, we have to wait for a few moments payments. And here, we are being asked about notifications again, whether you want to keep receiving notifications regarding payments. So here, friends, I would recommend that you allow notifications because this is a very important feature for security. If ever your card or your Monzo app spends any amount, you will immediately get a notification. So this is extremely important for security. So here, we will click on allow notifications and enable notifications. Now friends, Monzo Bank will ask you some of its own questions and we will have to answer all of them one by one. First, let's scroll down and see which questions are going to be asked here. First, questions will be asked about our citizenship and employment, then about our financial condition, and after that, we will have to select our account plan, and finally, we will need to verify our identity. So, let's click on Get Started here and get started. Now, the first thing being asked is, what is your primary citizenship? You need to select your primary citizenship from here and make sure there are no mistakes. If you make any mistake here, your account will be 100% rejected. So, only select what you have documented proof for. I am selecting only the documented things here. Now, it is asking, what is your employment status? What do you do? Are you full-time, part-time, self-employed, unemployed, retired, a student, or something else? There are many options available here. You need to select the option that fits you best. The good thing is that there are options for students as well as for self-employed and unemployed people. Currently, I am self-employed, so I will select self-employed here. Now, it is asking, which industry do you work in? Here, you need to select your industry, the one you work in. Right now, I am working in agriculture, so I will select agriculture. Now, it is asking, what is your job profile? Exactly what do you do? You need to select that from here. There are many options, so select the most suitable title for you. I am an agriculture machine operator, so I will select that, and then I will click on the finish section. And friends, I request you to please like this video. If you have any issues, you can let me know in the comment. Now, we need to click on next. Now, it is asking, what is your annual income before tax? Here, friends, you need to include many things like your salary, bonuses, benefits, and other forms of income as well. If your income is going to decrease in the future, then you should enter the lower amount. And if you don't know the exact amount, don't worry, you can enter your average or your best guess here. After that, you need to click on next. Now, it is asking, what is your housing status? Renting, living with family, homeowner with mortgage, or homeowner without mortgage? Select whichever is correct for you. Currently, I am living with family, so I will select that. Now you are being asked, how much do you contribute per month? If you don't have any contribution, you can enter 0, and if you do contribute, you can enter that amount. Now I will click on next here. Now you are being asked how many people are financially dependent on you. For example, your partner, your children, or any relatives. If no one is financially dependent on you, you can select 0, and after that, you will click on finish section here. Now friends, we have completed 2 steps about citizenship and employment status and about financial condition. Now the third step is about selecting our account. We are being asked about this, so here too, we need to click on next. Now you are being asked how you are going to use your Monzo account. Will you use it for day-to-day spending, paying bills, receiving salary, cryptocurrency, and there are many other options. You need to select whichever is most suitable for you. And if you are wondering why the company is asking all these questions, you can click on this icon. Right now, I am mainly using it for my daily spending and paying bills, so I will select that option. After that, I am clicking on next here. Now you are being asked where the very first payment into your Monzo account will come from. Will it be from your salary or from family and friends? You need to select that option here. So right now, friends, I am going to receive payments into this account from my family or friends, so I will select that option. Now you are being asked to estimate approximately how much it will be. You have to enter your own estimate. Now you are being asked how much money will be coming into your account every month. If you don't know the exact amount, you can just enter an estimate. There's nothing to worry about. Here, I am selecting it, and after selecting, you need to click on the finish section. Now our third step is complete. The last step is to complete identity verification. We have to verify our ID now. Only then will we click on next and proceed with our ID verification. Now you are being told to upload a photo of your ID. Here, the bank accepts many types of ID cards, but we have to follow some instructions. The first thing is that your ID should not be expired. The second condition is that your ID should be completely within the frame, and all details should be clearly visible and easy to read. So friends, now at the very bottom, you'll see the I'm ready option. You have to click on that. Now you are being asked which ID you want to verify. Currently, there are 3 options available here: passport, driving license, and national identity card. You can select whichever one you find suitable. Here, I am selecting my driving license. Now you are being asked which country your ID is from, so we have to select that as well. Mine is from the United Kingdom, so I am selecting that. Now you will be asked for camera permission, so we need to allow camera access. Now friends, in this frame, you have to take your ID, click a photo, and upload it. Friend, after completing the ID verification, the bank will ask you to record a short video of yourself. Here, you have to record a video of yourself. In your video, there will be some words written that you need to read out while looking at the camera so that the bank can match your video with your ID. Once your ID verification is complete, you need need to click on next here. And friends, I have one request. Please do like this video. Now, the bank is telling you to select which account is most suitable for you. So here we will click on next. Right now, friends, Monzo has 3 accounts. One is a free account, then there's the Mojo Plus account, and then there's the Monzo Premium account. If you choose the Monzo Plus account, you will have to pay a certain amount, but with the Monzo Plus account, you get extra features, which are listed here. You can read them if you want. So friends, for now, I am going to keep the free account here. So I will click here to select the free account. Now friends, we need to set up our Monzo card. So for that, we have to click on continue here. If you face any issues, you can let me know in the comments and I will do my best to help you. Now here you can see it says legal name. This same legal name will be printed on your card when it is delivered to you. If you want to edit your legal name, you can edit it here. After that, we will click on confirm here. Now here it says choose your PIN. This PIN is not for your Monzo app. The PIN for your Monzo app will be different. This is for your Monzo card, the Monzo debit card that you are going to receive. You need to create a 4-digit PIN for it. So go ahead and set your PIN here. After setting up the PIN, it says your card is on its way. After reading this, you need to click on continue here. And friends, you absolutely do not need to wait for your physical card. If you want, you can directly add your virtual card to Apple Pay Wallet or Google Pay Wallet. For now, I am going to skip this process, so I will click on skip for now. Now, friends, it says here that the banks could not get your credit record, so I will need to provide my address history to the bank. So let me quickly provide that. Now, friends, I have found another feature, which is really nice. It says, you have got a week of Monzo Plus. I have received 1 week of Monzo Plus for free, so I will enjoy that. Here, I will click on continue, and after the week is over, the payment will not be automatically deducted from your account. You don't need to worry, you will only have to pay if you subscribe. Now, here, a lot of things about Monzo Plus are explained. You can read them if you want, or it's fine if you don't, there's nothing to worry about. We can directly click on continue. So friends, now our account is being set up, so we will wait a little while. So friends, our account is now completely set up. If you still have any problems while opening a Monzo bank account, let me know in the comments and I will do my best to help you. Thank you very much for watching today's video.